Yeah, good morning. We're already starting to see some wind, and there's so much concern, as you said, that SoCal Edison has issued a warning that they might have shutoffs. So far, though, so good. They have not had any, according to their website, but conditions are changing, so that could change as well. But take a look. This is why they're so concerned. Winds are whipping up, as Santa Anas are known for, and gusts, the isolated gusts, could get up to 55 miles per hour. And you probably already noticed it is very dry. We have very low humidity, which means high fire danger. That is why SoCal Edison is considering shutting off power to about 70,000 residents across 5 counties in our region. Los Angeles, Orange, Riverside, San Bernardino, and Ventura counties could see shutoffs over the next 2 days. The power company issued what they call a public safety power shutoff warning for all 5 counties, and it started this morning. And if you are in one of the impacted areas, you should have received a text alert telling you and warning you of possible shutoffs. But back out here live, so far so good. Again, we just checked the SoCal Edison website, and as of now, they have not had to shut off power to any homes because of wildfire danger. But of course, the big concern is when those winds pick up, they could send debris like maybe a tree branch into a power line, and that could spark a fire, which is why they've issued those warnings. We'll keep you posted if anything changes. For now, though, I'm live in Van Nuys. Let's send it back to you.
It's a real concern.